how to factory reset Ring Video Doorbell 2nd Gen. Alright, so your first step is to locate the setup button. So locate the setup orange button, which is at the back of the doorbell. So you're going to actually need to remove the device from its mounting bracket in order to access it. So you're going to have to use these pins to take it off the wall and simply access it. Now, after you've removed the doorbell from the mount, use the included security screwdriver to remove the screw at the bottom and then gently lift the doorbell upwards to detach it from the mounting bracket. And now you can simply perform the factory reset by pressing and holding on the orange button, this orange button at the back. So press and hold on the orange setup button for about 15 seconds. The front LED lights are going to turn on and will begin flashing, which indicates that the device is resetting. And then once you're done there, just simply wait for the reset to complete. So after releasing the button, wait for the light to stop flashing. This means the factory reset is complete and the doorbell is ready for setup. And now you could simply set up the doorbell again. To reconnect your device, open the Ring app on your smartphone, tap set up a device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation using the QR code and some other things. All right, guys.